Hello guys, today we will solve a question from the chapter integral functions, and the question is of integration. We have to integrate a given function, so let us see what do we have. We have 1 plus log x raised to the power 2 divided by x as our integrand, and we have to integrate it with respect to x. So what is our approach? You can very well see that this is a question of direct substitution. That is, if we differentiate our numerator with respect to x, then we get our denominator. So this is a pretty easy question. So let us see the first step. Okay, they missed a step here. We have to assume that 1 plus log x is equal to t, and differentiating it on the both sides with respect to x, we get 1 by x dx is equal to dt. That is written over here. Now we make the proper substitutions. What are our substitutions? We have to substitute 1 plus log x as t and 1 by x dx as dt. So let us see what is our final integrand. Our final integrand simplifies to integration of t square with respect to t. Now this is a pretty straightforward integration, as you all very well remember that the integration of x raised to the power n with respect to dx, we get x raised to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So in this case our n is equal to 2, so we get x cube divided by 3 plus c as an arbitrary constant. So let us see. Yeah, we get t cube by 3 plus c. But we need to make sure that our final answer is in the variables that we were given with. I mean to say that our question was given with the variables x, but here we have t. So we need to back substitute rt to x. So we get our final answer as 1 plus log x raised to the power 3 by 3 plus c. So I think you all got it. Thank you. Have a nice day.